Hello everyone, I am Dr. Keswar, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Engineering of AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today I am going to explain multi-threaded programming in Java. What is multi-threaded programming in Java? Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing two or more threads simultaneously or concurrently or parallelly to maximize utilization of CPU or to reduce the idleization of CPU. Multi-threaded applications execute two or more threads, run concurrently or parallelly, hence it is also known as concurrency in Java. Each thread runs parallel to each other. Multiple threads don't allocate separate memory area, hence they share the memory and save the memory. Also, context switching between thread takes less time. Means switch from one thread to another thread, it takes or require the less time. Java provides built-in support of multi-threaded programming. A multi-threaded program contains two or more parts that can run concurrently or parallelly or parallel execution. Each part of such program is called as a thread, and each thread defines separate path of execution, or each and every thread change its state from news to termination. Thus, multi-threading is a specialized form of multitasking. However, there are two distinct types of multitasking: process-based multitasking and thread-based multitasking. In process-based multitasking, a process is a essence or process is in a essence a program that is executing. Thus, program considered as a process or process-based multitasking is the feature that allows your computer to run two or more programs concurrently, two or more different programs concurrently. For example, in process-based multitasking enables you to run the Java compiler at the same time you are using text editor or visiting any website. In process-based multitasking, the program is the smallest unit of code that can be dispatched by the scheduler. Or dispatched by the scheduler is the term you are going to learn in a operating system. What is a thread-based multitasking? In thread-based multitasking environment, the thread is the smallest unit of dispatchable code. This means that a single program can perform two or more tasks simultaneously. Here, the task and process. Difference between task and process. In task is the part of process. Or process is the full program or full process. For instance, a text editor can format text at the same time that it is printing, or you can giving the printing also, as long as these two actions are being performed by two separate threads. If you just see here the difference between in a process based and thread based, means we can say the thread is a part of process based. Thus, the process based multitasking deals with the big picture, and thread based multitasking handles the details of the big picture or part of that big picture. What are the advantages of multi-threading? Multi-threading enables you to write very efficient program that make maximum use of CPU or avoid the idealization of the CPU. because ideal time can be kept to minimum in multi-threading. It doesn't block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. You can perform many operations together, so it saves the time. Threads are independent, so it doesn't affect other threads if an execution occurs in a single thread. What is the difference between multitasking and multi-threading? Multitasking refers to computer ability to perform multiple jobs concurrently, and multi-threading is a single sequence of execution within a program or within a single process. More than one program run running concurrently it is example of Unix or Windows, and it refers to multiple threads of control within a single program. Each program can run multiple threads of control within it is the web browser. Thank you. Happy learning. All the best.